Halika na doon ho. Baka mainit doon.
May nalo everyday. Balik kita!
Gab! Gabriel! Nana, ang gusto mo? Ay, gusto na bubble gum. Kumakulog sa ng tiyan mo. Iba na lang, mag-Milo ka na lang, ha?
Pagkatapos ko inom na inom ako.
Oo. Pagkatapos mo mag-inom Milo. Ha?
Pagkakalan mo si Kuya Gabriel.
O, Gab, Kuya Gab, bakal ka daw Milo.
Kumain!
Opo, Nana, ang gusto mo?
Ano na ako doon na?
Oo. Ayos, Nana, ang gusto mo? Atagbiran Milo.
Sabi sweet pa sa ako.
Oo.
Ito nga kami sa Milo niya.
As.
Sabi
Tapos,
sweet pa sa ako na tapos Milo.
iya, itaghan mo.
Cat person.
Oh,
Biskuit, tas Milo, tas donut.
opo.
Nang
Thank
biskuit
you.
sa mo. Ay, donut na tayo.
Life is beautiful. Di ba may love sa'yo si Jacob? Alam kong kasing magkakalikas kasi kasi tayo. Diyos ko pa aray ko. Bulat ka. Ay. Timothy Kaya Larry. Hi. Timothy Kaya Larry. Hello from St. Cloud, Minnesota, USA. Hi, Carlos Osorio. Hello, Gorgeous. Hello po. Thank you for watching. Sir Timothy. Ava, twerk. Thank you for the thumbs up po. Salamat. Thank you, Sir Timothy. Carlos. Salamat. How are you doing today? Work at home. Work at home, you know. Right. It's dark. It's dark, yeah. Really dark. But I'm going outside.
Yay! May balay naman ako. Salamat.
Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up po. Do you have a busy morning? Yes. Kumusta, guwapa? Okay lang. Linis bahay lang. Salamat. Hello, friend. Gorgeous, welcome. Where are you from? From Philippines?
Ubus na ang donut.
Iba na lang yung donut. Wala na ito ba? Tindahan? Dito mo sa may tindahan. Ito mo. Ano ko lang rin ko lang.
Pwede na rin donut.
Patagpiran doon na. Oo. Asha. Ano?
Umupod ka na.
Pwede ka kay Kuya Gab.
Ha?
Pwede ka kay Kuya Gab.
Mami, ano?
Super guys. Two party pang guys. Hi, Sarah Enoch. I feel like most people here are what? I want to you. Ano yun? ang mga sukat ng iyong tasa. Maliit ba ito o malaki? Balbon ba ito? Hindi. At dapat ko bang, ano ba yan? Dapat ganun. Sorry, married. I'm not married. I have with my niece and my son. I have one son. Good baby. Ano yan? What city in the Philippines? Bicol, Philippines. Bicol Province, Sorsogon. Do you have a busy morning? Yes. Hi, friend. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat. Busy. What is your age? What is your age? You beautiful. Thank you. How are you? Pretty babies. Thank you so much. How old? I'm 40 years old. Carlos, I'm 40. I will love to meet you. Thank you. What is your 40 years old? What is your age? I have been to Davao and love it. Okay. Hey, you there? I'm 40 years old. Wow, Carlos Osorio. Really? You are 40. Good job.
Mama, blur na lang.
Oh, sige. Ano, timplahin man si Ashin, ano? Si Milo. Ay, agad.
Tita, tataplak ang pagkain.
Adyan, bye.
Ko.
I will be moving there when I retire. Hi there, thank you. Magandang umaga sa'yo. Hi Spencer, magandang umaga din. So, can we get to know one another? We'll love to know you more. Okay, Sir Carlos. Message me. Message me.
Ay, mama, nandito kaya siya.
Ako nga kami. Ay, di, ayos.
Ay, paano mainit?
Thank you for the thumbs up. Jose Costa, Bossy Chaos, Italy, Juntos Comego. What it means, Jose Costa? Where are you from? From Spanish, French? Ang iyong kamay sa iyong tasa. Maaari mo bang ilagay? What do you mean, ano? I don't understand. Bossy di sa serie Grande Amor de Sua Vida. Jose Costa, I don't understand what do you mean? Maybe you're from another country. No sa Kilendo Coco. Hindi ko naintindihan. Thank you for the thumbs up. Bossy Tom Coragem de Ver Prakip Car Comigo Mio Amor. I understand amor. Thank you, but thank you.
Maubuso na yan, eh.
Opo, sige. Tunga ka mo, opo. Ano ba? I subscribe my friend. Thank you, Sir Spencer. Thank you so much. You. What happened? You. Tin ho. Son ho. Wow. Intindihan. Just wrote you a comment under one of your videos, banana. Okay. Okay, thank you. Carlos Osorio, thank you. Hi sister, hi Sona S. Tinho Sonho di ko AC Oma Mujer Day. What it means? Pagitan ng dalawang lalaki, posible yan. I don't understand. Gusto kong mahalin sa what? Bositem bon Tare de Mora. Okay, no Brazil. Where are you from, Brazil? I want you to read it. Okay, beautiful, maganda. And okay, I will read it. I will read it. Sorry, I will read it after the live. Ki idadi Bositem. Thank you. Thank you for the 15 million, 15 likes. Salamat.
Sa kinibig. Ah?
Ako daw niya kutsara.
Bo niya kutsara.
Sige lang. Huwag mo lang yung kutsara. Dad!
Lubat na. Or tayo na mo. Tunaw.
Thank you for the 17. Ako din. Bositem Condos Philhouse. Okay. I'm from America. We'll love to come and see you. Okay, thank you, Jose. Ano ba yan? Thank you, Jose. Beautiful, maganda. Thank you, Jose. Jose Costa, Nasa. What it means, Nasa? Hola Mirena. Fausto Castilla. Hola Mirena. Ti amo mi uhapa. Maybe it's agwapa. Pwede ba kitang maging asawa? You don't know what you means. Asawa means. Pwede bang dito ka lang? Dito ka lang sa may tabi ko. Thank you for the 17 likes. Thank you so much. First time. Thank you for visiting my live streaming. Hi, thank you for the 15 million in the house. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat. Good. Thank you. Thank you so much for the 17 likes. Thank you. Pwede bang bukalan? Thank you for the likes. I'm sorry.
Mag-drawing ako. Ma,
Sige na, sige na.
huwag kang ano, color pencil.
Oh, magano ha, ang kalat ha.
Ayaw ko, ma. Yan, pero daw na Yun, natagdagay mo yan. Get back. Ayun. Get back. Tulo.
Pwede bang bukalan? Ito ka lang sa mata. Oh, so free this time to come. And it wasn't prepared to face this kind of heartache from a day. I'm going to make my life. This is till my heart exists. Oh, so free this time to come. Listen to for the 18 thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you po.
Dati ka nag-drawing. Dati ko nag-drawing na ako.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Salamat po. Sorry.
Bakit parang drawing? Galing na yung drawing. Galing na. Lagi mo. Nakatabi ko. Ito kayo.
Atek.
Ganda na po. Ito may tira pa. Babalik ko naman. Napakarin ka. Sige. Hindi pag-thank you. masala. Yeah! Kakaunon. Bulati yun. Mabulati yun. Mayong masala sa bulati.
Thank you.
Nagre-retras video. Video, pag may maano na, may maano na.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you po.
Oh, black.
Alright. Ano, ala ka? Ano ka? Dito mo lang. Sino na ka, ano? Basa. Punasan mo yan. Eh, sa lipag punasa. Ah, ng cellphone. Ito na, mag-agi ka na gano'n. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Ay, kailangan ah.
Dali ka na, Didi. Ito na, pununasan na niya. Ayaw yada pagpunasan. Ayaw sa dito. Ayaw yung pagpunasan. Ikaw ka dito siyang basahan. Dili ka, Didi. Dito ka mag-agi sa dito. Oo, tapos ihulusan mo yun, ha? Tapos ipunas mo ulit. Malagito yung pag-ilos. Pagkatapos mo sa on, ipunas, ihulusan mo yan. Tapos punas mo ulit. O kumbaga, bandawan mo ba?
May yulas ko na yan, eh.
Opo. Pinunas mo na? Punas na.
Sama ko. Dalawa.
Pagod ba? As. O, si As. As! As! Okay. As! Tiga man si As.
Mama, may tiyak-tiyak po ay buti pala.
An?
Buti.
Di mo tinapok ang buti, Gab. Anak, dili ka dito tapok din sa sapa. Ay, Gab, maraot yung tapok dito. May masura dito sa sapa. Dili na tapok ka dito sa sapa. May maraot yun.
Hindi ka naman.
Di ba nag-i-eskwela ka mo, bawal magtapok ng basura sa ano, sa ilog?
Sa kama lang kami.
Hmm?
Sa kama.
Doon na, pakapamarasoon mo.
Nagbara na dun mo.
Eh, oo, sige na.
Kaya ko yun, tikot kita.
Hi, si S! Hi, si S, Gab!
Ay!
Uli.
Ay, pati kami sa.
Dito, kamar lang.
Naya,
Hanap ko ikaw.
balin. Tumuduko ko lang ito.
Ya, diho, may sisiyo di diho. O, ano, sinilas mo.
Madagutong ko. Nakukuno na para sa sa'yo, Milma.
Dili sa ako.
Kaya ako na.
Nandiyan ko kayo sa balay.
Basta may siya.
Pero kung nagpupunas ako, dito na. Dili ko pagtuon na, bebe.
Kaya na tayo ito ba? Mami, nahanap ako!
Naghahanap ko na siya.
Doon sa biyon. Iya! Hoy, kuya! Ah! Sa ako, no? Nakaready ko na ako.
Sarap. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat.
Ano, pangarap mo yan?
Thank you.
Ano yung sa Roblox? Ay, Roblox. Ang konta. Kinakaw. Ubus yung tir. Roblox. Ano naman? Ang hindi mo kasi kirahan. Anong bayad di taro? Kuya ka, dinila. Ay, wala. Ayan, ito. Hindi, kuya. Ang kaya mo ita. Anak na mga pig. Walang mayari kayo. Both. Japan sa ako, ha? Philippines. Basta basahin.
Say hi. Morning.
Ganda.
Morning song. You decide on me. Shut up and dance with me. Hi, Bessie. Easy for today's. For today's ka na. Shut up and dance with me. Shut up and dance with me. Yes.
Kita mo. Tangki yun. Sabi ko. Sabi ko. Sabi ko. Bilang. Ako Japan ito. Ay, hindi yan.
Mataba na. Kayang-kaya na. For today's ganap. Nagawa na lang na ano. Ang baso. Oh, di ko malaman ang nadarama sa tuwing kay aking nakikita. Di ko ano sa damdamin, abot-abot ang kaba. Only in the Philippines, kahit mainit, summer feels, but coffee is life. Only here in the Pilipinas, coffee is life. Shut up and dance with me. Shut up and dance with me. Kape, kape! Kapag ako
Hey! Ako anak.
ay nagmahal, ang lahat ng ito'y magagawa, di magbabago. Hirap tumba. Kape, kape po. Kape.
Japan yan. Aram mo kung pa ng India.
Salamat sa thumbs up.
Japan ako. Ikaw India. Dali ka mo na. Bilog lang?
At sa bawat minuto, sumuko. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Nag-thumbs up. Chan. Salamat. 24, my good guys. Salamat sa 24. Init. Ashley!
Okay, dati lang India. Dahil lang sa
Let's take a break. Naubos na niya yun na pen. Na colored pen. Ay! Notebook ka yan!
Ako niyan.
Oh.
Mama, Eric sa din. Ano? India. Dali ang India.
Hindi ko maalala.
Eh,
Parang,
pwede?
parang ganyan yata.
Dali.
Oh.
Alam ko? India. Japan, kabisi ka. Korea, alam mo.
Ano? Tunisia?
Ang pagkarasit, ma.
Tunisia?
Ay, ito na tawid niya. Tapos pula na yung tira.
Thank you. 7 million. Salamat. Should have been. Nana, sa ruda taga.
Andok. Sa sana ko. Mang tumas. Ready?
Thank you so
Dili pa sa
25. Salamat po. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so 10 million.
Naging black.
Ay, hindi po. Wait lang. Baka kasi ano.
Black.
I will dance with you all day. Hola, hermosa. Mauricio Aguirre. Hola, hola. Hello and good morning. Jack Frost. Hi. Poncol Tomo. Nice and good. Carlos Sosario. Beautiful. Thank you, Carlos. You look good. Wait. Cows. What's up, Cows? Safari sign. Hi. Safari sign curves. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Sorio. Nice. Nice call. I will love with you every day. How old are you, Carlos Osorio? I subscribe to your channel, Howard Maitland. Thank you so much, Howard Maitland. Maitland. Mike Delizo. Hi there. Thank you, Mike. Hi, Greg. You still wake up, Greg?
Ay!
Ala. I didn't see the comment just I see na. Sorry. Donnie Halcom. Hi, Donnie. Good morning. JT, good morning. Late late
Ikaw naman.
late read. Sorry. Thumbs up dan maganda, Cheryl. Thank you so much. Ang iyong tasa ay maliit at matitid. Tama. Yung tasa na sinasabi mo, I know it na. So beautiful. You have a lovely voice. Thank you, Carlos. Thank you so much. Frank Johnson. Hello, Frank. Hi, Sir Frank. Fausto Castelio. Hi, Chita. Timando Bisu Parate. Bisu. Thank you, Fausto. Zombar Rizky Tirales. Hello. Hello to Zona S. Hi. Over here where I live is 9:05 p.m. PM there, morning here. Carlos Osorio. Oh, may carol ko sa buduli ka namin na bok. Ano, what? So, what time is there? It's over there. Morning here. Oo nga pala. Ano naman pinagsasabi nito? So, have you been to America? No, not yet been there in America. Carlos Osorio. Diaz Garrido, you soy Espanyol. I'm not Espanyol. Eric Cantabriela Diaz Garrido. De qué ciudad eres? I'm from the Philippines, province of Bicol. Bicol province. Hula City, V. Moylinda. Thank you, Eric Cantabriela Diaz Garrido. Thank you so much for visiting my live. Says you love music for me. Thank you. Thank you, Carlos Osorio. Tenda,
Bagyo.
48 anyos.
Bansa.
Oh, it's okay. Still young.
Quiapo. Manila, Quiapo.
I'm 40. I wrote you a message on your comment. Thank you, Carlos. Carlos, so sorry, I'm 40. All love from Atlanta, Georgia. Hi, Ray Miller. Thank you so much for visiting my live. Shout out to all Atlanta, Georgia from Philippines. Mauricio Aguirre, oh saludo de El Salvador, Filipinas. Yes, thank you. Ang lalayo nyo. Salamat. Thank you so much for visiting my live stream. We'll love to know you more. Thank you. Thank you, Carlos. Edwin CV. Hi from Kansas City, Missouri, USA, and the Midwest. Wow, thank you. Shout out po, Edwin CV. From Kansas City, Missouri, USA, and the Midwest. Wow, from USA. Thank you so much for visiting my live stream. Thank you, guys. Brian C. Howdy. Hi po. We love you more. Thank you. Thank you, Carlos. Brian C. Thank you so much for visiting my live stream. Thank you so much, Brian C. Brian C. How are you? I'm fine, Brian C. I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have you been to America? Not yet been, but I want to go there. If someone is sponsoring my my passport, fantastic. Brian C, thank you so much. Still. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you po. Kono ko, ang dami kong hindi nabasa. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Thank you.
Bansa.
I love the way you clean your home. Very clean. Thank you.
Para sa ulo na pagpiliin na to. Meron ako dala. May mga pangalan dito. May mga pangalan dito.
Thank you so much.
Ito, India. Sa Philippines. 9. 9.
Thank you for the 14 million in the house. Salamat po. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for to 49.
Ganda nga. Bawal ka na. Sarap ulang. Mapakal ka. Mapakal ka. Aporte. Isisyato ka. Para i-diretso mo yan to. Ako muna.
Woman of my dreams. Are you Ireland? Bicol Province, Philippines, sir. It's only 1,500 or so. 17. 1,700. Brian C. 100%. Thank you po. I can help you out with that. Thank you. Come on down. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Donnie Halcom, Kentucky from USA. Thank you. Thank you, Donnie Halcom. Late read. I can help you with that. Yuli B. American is great, please, but a lot of lonely people. A lot of lonely people? Why? Here in the Philippines, difficult life, but we're so happy in life. Thank you so much. 100%. Why? Why lonely? It's only... Are you from... No, Edwin CV. I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. Woman of my then. Brian C. You gusto Emunito Divosi. Hi, Jose Costa. Carlos Osorio, I can help you with your passport to come to America. Huh? Really? Carlos Osorio. Thank you. Thank you for the sponsoring me. Thank you. Yoli B. Born and raised Philippines, but I love America. Never been lonely and needy. Okay. It's your choice. Your choice. You decide. You choice. You decide you're happy. Thank you, Brian C. Thank you so much. Yes. Mem Bazaar, please. How's it Costa, yeah? Brian C. 1,700. Yes, almost 1,800. Fausto Castillo, Marina, Ti amo Melinda, Ti mando bisu. What it means, Fausto Castillo? Like 31, thank you for the 31, 32 subs, likes, thank you so much. Big Lon, nice to meet you, Cheryl. Nice to meet you too, Big Lon. Texas here. Wow, thank you so much. Brian C. Thank you po. Thank you. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga, Brian C. Brian C. and Big Lan. Magandang umaga to you. Edwin CB. Yes, and how many children do you have? I have one son. One. Only one. Yes, I will definitely. Wow. Thank you so much, Carlos Osorio. Sorry, I didn't get your location. Sorsogon Province. Bicol Province, Sorsogon. Philippines, Sorsogon. Sorsogon. Sisters. I'm an eldest sisters. Devin William, hey beautiful. Hope you are enjoying what the day brings to your day. Thank you so much, Devin Williams. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless. Believe you need a man who loves your soul more than your body. Yes, tama ka. Thank you so much, Yoli B. Thank you for your positive comments. Sisters. Fausto Castillo, Menina Textrado Mocho. What it means? I see. Brian C. I see. Edwin CB. But what island? Erosin. Jose Costa Bosica, Syphilis, Hondos Comego. What it means? I don't understand. Good vibes only. Yes, good vibes only. Brian C, good vibes only. Where are you from? Texas. You're from Texas, Brian.
Yeah.
How old are you, Brian C? Jose Costa, eu quero fazer você muito feliz por cupito muito amor e corenho copeto. What it means? Thank you for the 33 thumbs up. Salamat guys. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. 45 years old. Still young. still young at age 45. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Are you married, Brian C? Jose Costa bosinon ka maes. Ve. Mem. Kiser. What it means? Can you translate it in Tagalog then? You ano din. That's why I need to understand. Body is 45. My soul is 25. What? It's me. Edwin CV, bakit? Carlos, oh sorry, if you can check your comments under banana, I wrote you a message. Okay? Okay, Brian. Okay, Carlos, I will check it after the live. Single. Why is he single, Brian? What happened? Jose Costa, fala sério, você bom de mora aqui no Brasil. Okay. Salam. Fausto hula. 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 Hula nina kumutila. Sim. Ayan, here. Huh? It's been Johnny Balani, one of my si Johnny Balani, nagmura. What happens to you? Kung ayaw mo dito, sa live ko, maybe you can scroll down, ignore, kasi hindi naman ako nag-allow ng toxic people. You know, Balani. Thank you. Salamat sa pag-comment ng negative comments. Pero, hindi kita kilala, and you no right to, long walks in the farm. Thank you, Brian C. Hosta Casa Comego. Carlos Osorio, okay, will definitely love to bring you to America, 100%. Really? Oh my God. Thank you, Carlos. Long walks in the park. I love walking, Brian C. Costa, eu quero você delira namin. I don't understand what are you saying. Please, can you translate it in Tagalog or English? Jose Costa, translate it in Tagalog or English before you I want to understand your Me too, Brian C. Thank you. Thank you for the 9 million in the house. Thank you so much for the 34 thumbs up, guys. Salamat sa 34 naman. Only now. Salamat po. Salamat. Thank you. Happy. Happy na. Happy now. Thank you. Arikadere. Thank you so much for Jose Costa, eu quero que você realize o meus... Di ko maintindihan. Jose Costa, o meu tempo, son, di ko maintindihan. Brian, say hi. What time is there now? There at America. 10:01 in the morning here. Maybe there. Good evening in America. Ayun. Magandang gabi sa Amerika. Good night, America. Over where I live in Massachusetts. It's 10:02. Okay. Oh, 10:02. Same here. 10:02 in the morning. Evening there now. 12 hours behind. Left. Ah, 5 p.m. There. Brian. 9, 11. 11.
Tita, Robin. Tita, tagot. Ay, sira.
What are you doing?
Basta.
Kuha ka dito kay sudlayan ko muna ito. Sudlay. Dali, kay bigyan kita pera. It's Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. Ha?
Tita.
Ano?
20.
Ba't 20?
Ay, ilagay sa mga piso.
It's Wednesday. I thought, there, Tuesday in the night. Advance, Advance, very advanced. Tuesday evening here,
Daddy,
Alaya.
kung mahanap ang suglay ko.
Dito sa may sa may butangan sa charger. You always feel what it means to say. What it means to say. Gosh. Coolest lonely people in the world, and we're just gonna be fine. Please use. Thank you, Brian. Brian C. Do you have a kid, Brian? My niece. She's my niece. My brother's daughter.
Tita, tingnan mo ngayon ako'y may agi.
Ay, election ba ganyan? Mga kandidato yun? Yes, 3. Do you have a
Nandito?
kids?
Nandito?
Kandidato. Okay.
Tita, di pa tapos ang team dito.
Di pa, may election. Are you married, Brian?
Tita, malibot sana.
Are you married, Brian? Did you?
Tagi na ka.
10 lang, ha?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
5 lang?
Isa pa.
Ay, ba dyan?
Gusto ko yan ako.
Ay, naku, di mo yung video.
Siya ka na, mabaka.
Single. I'm single. Okay, Carlos is still single. Why you single? You too. Why single? What happened? What happened? Long story, maybe. Long story. Work so much. Yes, it's true. Workaholic. Looking for the right one. Son of the right one. How old are you, Carlos? So, how old are you? Mayong buntag. Timo. Hi, Timo. Mayong buntag. Ay, sorry. A, B, C, B, pasar. Kumusta? Okay lang po. Timo? Okay lang, Timo. Kumusta din? Kumusta po, Timo? What is your job? What is your work, Brian C? Carlos Osorio, I have a friend and she wants to looking for the right one.
Di ko naman dali shopping ngayon.
Maybe you need to message me. I want to introduce your friend. She's also beautiful. Cleaner. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Ki Aha. Jose Costa. Nice job, Brian C. Taga-asa ka, Bicol po. Taga Bicol. Maid Kenda. Maid Kenda. Maid Kenda. What Maid Kenda? Hello, Wapa. Saludos de Mexico. Sa Germany. Nasa Germany ka, Timo? Are you married? I'm not married, Casey. Hi, Brian C. Ah, okay. Wow, sana all. Kumusta? Kumusta ang Germany? Buti pa dyan, malamig dito. Grabe init. Mainit dito sa, Pilipinas. Julius Matthew. Hi, Julius. 9 is close to 8. Ah, okay. Brian C. Nice. 9 is close to 8. Hello, tatay. Hello, tatay. Ilang 40. Julius Mateo, 40 years old. I'm 40 years old. Think about German when saying it. When saying it. Think about German when saying it. What do you mean, Brian C? German saying it. What do you mean? I think it's on 35 likes. I'm 40, sweetie. Ah, you're same age, Carlos? 9 is close to 8. 9 is close to 8. Yeah, very close. Kwaman, baby, ang kape ko sabi ito sa baso.
Isa, tapos taga ba ang pera?
Ala, yung kahahatag ko lang sa imo pera.
Mama.
Ay, ang color pen, gabang.
Ito taga ko pera. Tadari na.
Kahatag ko lang sa imo, 10. Hay, ang 5 mo.
Bira kalit ko.
Naman ang babakalo mo, may 5 ka pa. I also don't get. Yeah. What it mean? Ano na ibig sabihin niya? 9 close to 10.
Yay, tita Mir.
Okay, mo anong ibig sabihin niya? Ay, ayun.
Sabi mo.
I did write you a message under your comments. Okay, I will read it, after the live, Carlos Osorio. Yeah. Madam ko daw. Ano, ako nakita ko ito. Magkano?
Yeah, the 8.
I mean, ano mo? I will read it.
Okay. Akin siya. Akin siya.
Oh, ay, nan 5.
Ha?
Ano binakal mo sa 5?
20.
Di ba binigyan kita ng 10?
20
With my number. Ah, okay. What is your number? Ready ho.
Ito sa ako.
Hindi kaya ano yun? 10 sa
Ay,
English.
20.
Ah, thank you.
Sa ako, 20 dapat. Ako ang big.
Oh, 10.
20. 20. Lock. 20. Pati kakashi.
Where did you comment? I didn't see your comment. Hindi ko rin naintindihan. Say mo yung 9 is close to 8. The German, what it means? Brian, see what it means. Or spell the word sucks. In Spanish word would be that's what I want. Spell the word sucks. Okay. S-O-C-S. Spell S-O-C-K-S. K-S. In Spanish would be that's what I want. I don't understand. Sorry, I'm not smart.
Mama na siya.
Luwas. I don't understand. Phonetically, it sounds like you're saying in Spanish by spelling the word sucks. Sucks. Phonetically, what is God? I don't know. Será que eu vou ter uma oportunidade com você? I don't understand talaga. I don't understand. Jose, can you translate it in English before you comment? I want to know. I don't understand. Ang hirap. Ang hirap nang walang knowledge, no? What are your views on climate change? Climate change talaga. Climate change talaga. Bakit? Anong nangyari? Hindi ko talaga maintindihan. I don't understand talaga. What are your views on climate change? What happened? Brian, see, what do you mean? What do you mean? I think it's not about siyam or walo. It's not about siyam or walo. My translator is broken. I think it's not about siyam. It's not about siyam or walo. 10. 9 is 9. 9. Wait, ang sabi niya 9 is close to 8. Siyam. Wait. Sucks. Spell sucks daw eh.
Kasi kapag ko, dapang may nilabutan.
Pauli, sabihin ko, kuha ko kwarta niya. Think about it. Siyam. 9 is close to 8. 9 is close to 8. Siyam. Ha? Hindi ka talaga
Nana,
naintindihan.
ma.
Akay na nga, ano, kanangihiran ka na naman. Gab, bakal ka daw, I can spell in a different language. Oh, yeah. I can't spell in a different language. What happened? Additioner. Vosit name additioner. No feasibility. What? A Google translation, maybe you need to Google translation. You type and translate it in English. Then you ano, write here in the comment section. 9 is no. 9 is no. 9 is no. 9 is no. No. 9 is no. Baby beauty. Bye-bye, beauty. Bye, Timo. Thank you so much. Salamat sa pagpunta. See you next. Thank you, Timo. Amping. Amping. Salamat, Timo. Thank you so much, Timo. Yugo is pera. So, reputa. What it means? Hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Why sabayan? Why sabayan? Hindi ko rin masabayan. My God. Nagdudugo ng aking ano dito. Nosebleed na ba ako? Hirap. Hi, Dizin Max Vlog Second. Hi po. Hello po, Dizin Max Vlog. Nag-comment daw. Hindi ko makita ang ano, comment niyan. Done like. Thank you so much. Salamat sa pag-like. Dizin Mix Vlog Second. Thank you po. Gabriel!
Ajis!
Ajis! Thank you po sa pag-like. Salamat. How do you see in German? No, I do not. I don't know. I don't know how to see in German. I'm not German. I don't know.
Ay, pagkarigo lang, mabali lang kita. Akan umis na kanila kaya. Ikaw man, makarigo ka.
Should have been dance with me destiny. I don't know. Are you a German? Brian say. Are you German? 9 is close to 8. Look. I don't know. Oh my God. 9 is close to 8. 9. Why? I don't know. 9 is close to 8. Kumusta? Sitmore? Kumusta, Sitmore? Kumusta po? I don't get it. It's a logic. What it means? Not at all. Not at all. No, I don't know. How do you say in German? No, I do not. Not at all. In German, say no, I do not means not at all. That it means like that 9 is close to 8, something like that, not at all. Huh? Ano, what? Never mind, lovely. Tell me. What? Tell me, Brian C. I want to know what it means. What do you mean? Can you tell?
Uy, ulaon mo lang yan. Ulaon. Uy, dako na. Ayan, parang ulit. Buka pa yun.
Can you tell me why and nothing but tell me why.
Ubus ka? Tita, makaligo lang po.
Oh, sige po.
Uy, makaligo lang ta. Tita, di ko na yung buwang ko may lunas na.
Ha? Sige, ito sa baba.
Uy, wala ko ba ako niya. Handa ko?
Oo. Oo. Malaba ka? Sitmore. H. Ben Modi. What it means? What do you mean, Sitmore? What do you mean, Sitmore? What it means? What do you mean? I am tired. Okay. You're tired. No, I don't get your number. Where you comment? Where did you comment me? What is your sign? Sign? What sign? Like, what's the sign? Brian C. Zodiac sign, like that. Me, Aquarius. My zodiac sign is Aquarius. Napaka-seryoso mo, Brian. You look, zodiac. Yeah, my zodiac sign is Aquarius. Paano yaday? Baby, hi baby, good morning. What? Are you looking? Say me, baby. Ano daw, baby? Thank you so much. Nice. Nice. You, what is your zodiac sign? You God smile. Smile. Water element. Me, I'm not wood. Wood. Ox. I don't know. I forgot my element. Really, I'm going to give it to you. Huh? Really? I'm from Philippines. Pono yaday. Really, I'm going to give it to you. Give it to me what? Give it to me. A Gemini. Wow, Gemini. Nice. 8. Carlos Osorio. 8? What 8? Air element. Maybe I'm wood. Wood, I think. Wood. Write it down, my number. Okay. Maybe you need to, Carlos Osorio, you need to 8. Wait lang. Wait. 8. Wait lang. Wait! Wait lang. 8. I'm quit working you. Okay. 8, 5, 7. What is the code? Need the code. 8, 7. 2. 5. What? It's your number. 8. Okay. Maybe not mention it. Just I read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers? Just only 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Po.
Hayangan po yan itabi ang putong ko.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hayangan po yan ang putong ko.
Hindi maghiriran, ha?
Si kuya kababadil sa ako.
Oh, wag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mali ako. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Carlos, si ate numbers. Okay. Your number, give baby. Plus 1. Plus 1? Okay. Do you have, Telegram? Telegram. Sure, wait. I download it now, Telegram again. I install it again. Add me. Telegram. Wait. Yes, I do have. Okay. Telegram. Okay, you can message me on there. Post story. Let it head on me, let it share attendance with me. Thank you po. You can send me a text anytime. Okay. Okay po. Okay, wait lang. I need to install it again. Forevermore, I wanna be forevermore. Thank you. Forever young. Yes. Forever young. Forever young. Thank you, there's a 5 million people in the house. Salamat. Shut up and dance and miss telegram. Ah, yes, forever young. Thank you so much. So your friend Bibi is looking for someone. You said yes. She's looking for someone. She's single. She's single. She's kind also. How old she is? Same age. My same age. Maybe not yet 39 years old. But running 40 years old this year. Okay, sounds great. Sounds great. Uh, but not but not, he's married, she's married, but they separate, I think. They separate, but I don't know how, if it's illegal. Does she have any kids? She have one kid. She have one kid. Wait lang. Aray ko. Aday. Aray. Kailangan. Does she have any kids? Yes. She have one kid. So I do work. I'm Hispanic. Live in okay. You're an Espanol. Live in USA. What is your work in US? I will. What is your work in the USA? Why are you there? Are you from Spanish? Espanol? Spain? Are you from Spain? Yeah, okay. Are you from Spain? I was born here. Ah, wow. Your parents is Espanol. I work for the MBTA. What it means? What is MBTA? Which is bus company for the city. Ah, okay. Okay. That's great. That is good. Mauricio Acari, Quero Cocoser, Philippines. What it means, Cocoser? For the government. Ah, okay. For the government. What are you doing for, make $32 an hour? Oh, wow, that's great. $32 an hour, 32. 32. Nagkanta ako. Donut. Brian Sedona. $32 per hour. 42. How many hours do you work? 32. If 8 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Nagkwentahin no? 32. Every week, I make $1,800. Oh, wow, sana all. Wow, sana all. 1 week. Just 1 week, 1/8. Oh? Wow. Maybe you can, but you can, ano me. With overtime, I work 40 hours. Fun. Sana all. Maybe that's why you afford to going here in the Philippines. That's why you afford. Me, I work here. My work, my salary monthly. Government employee. My salary is maybe, dollar. If convert in dollar monthly. Wait. 4,000. So 4K. Wait lang. So 32K. Maybe $30 a month. I will love to go there. Okay. With overtime. Okay. And and maybe I know. $90 a month. I will, maybe you can give me the information to where you stay and I can pay you guys a visit. At talaga, yes, sana all. Thank you so much. Really, Carlos? Maybe you can give me the information to where you stay and I can pay you guys a visit. It's real. It's real. Oh, sana. How much I'm happy you talk to me like that there. So the generous one. The generous one. I do have vacation hours. You can visit me. You can visit here, and you will meet my friends here. My friends, my cycle of friends. You are very much welcome here in here in Bicol. We have a beautiful beach here, the resort like that.
Kita, mami, si Kuya Gababa din!
Sabihan mo ba udang ko siya pag di rin nagformal. Miss. You can you can visit her in vacation So how is the nature over there? Beautiful nature here in Bicol. Beautiful. As soon I will go ride outside. I will see how beauty the Bicol here. Thank you, Carlos. El Cibal. I'm from Basil. Maganda ka. Salamat. So, I see you love music like to farm. What else you like to do? I like to do is, ano, I love the sea. Hike, like that, travel. Fausto Casillo, Melinda Tiamo, Iris Uhapa. Hi. Subash Shabu. Hello po, magandang umaga. Kumusta po? I'm taga saan ka po sa Pinas? Bicol po, Bicol. So, what month is your birthday? February 2, 1985. Maybe you can give me a gift, late gift, Carlos. Raise your Paksha. Hi, Paksha. My is September 3rd. September 3. Okay. What do you mean? 1985, yes, 1985. Hmm. Do you have brothers and sisters? Carlos, thank you for the 38 likes. Salamat. Salamat po. So much. What do you mean? Thank you guys. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. Wow. Asu, do you have you 7? Big family. Same. We are a big family too. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters. So count 9. Or 9 siblings. I'm the youngest. Me too. I'm the youngest for the sisters. Oh, that's nice. Are you married, Carlos? Baby, you're in my arms again. This time. No, I'm single. I do have 2 boys. Okay. Why is he single? Why is he single? What happened? So many single nowadays. So many. I do work a lot also, like I said, I'm looking for the right person that I can share my heart with. Wow. So maybe we ano, like you, we and my friends, we looking for the right one also, but I don't know. It's really difficult to trust nowadays, people. And I see so really hard talaga. So really difficult to trust the person so much. It is, it's, is, trust is the most important, and yes, it's really important to trust and the respect, Without trust, you have nothing. Yes, you're right. Need to trust. Need to trust. Ano may pangit? May bag. You look, you look gorgeous. Salamat. You know what? My father have blood of Spanish blood. My father have a Spanish blood. Aray. What do you mean? That's good to hear. Yeah. I started speaking Spanish at 13. Okay. Like La Mesa. The chair is upuan. Kumusta? It's also sad Spanish. Kumusta here in um, Philippines? It says, how are you? Tagalog, kumusta? English, tuven. Tuduvien. What it means, tuduvien? Tuduvien? What it means? Everything good. Okay. Yung todo is all. Ay, todo. As in, todo in Tagalog. Todo mo na. All. Todo mo na yan. Todo yan. Everything's good. Everything. Thank you. Are all good. Yes. Are all good. Todo bien. All. Give it all. Bigay mo na. So what happened in the last relationship? My last relationship is my son's father. We almost it's a toxic relationship. Wait lang. Saglit. Yes. He has no plans for for our relationship. I want to settle. I want to marry like that. I want I want to have our own home. And save the money because we are workmate. He's my workmate. But suddenly, I have so many cheating, so many to cheating. Saving money is important. Yes. It's also third party. a lot of uh, times cheating. I know, but he always still lies. So the trust is very important. If you was here with me, to be honest, I would take care of you and your son. I hope. I don't know if
Excuse me?
maybe you can handle my my personality. Maybe it's kind, yeah, it's it need to be kind, but I think the personality need to it's difficult to handle. You have you have a dating before. How many years you are single? I understand it's hard to believe, but I'm an honest guy. I'm always telling the truth, no matter the consequences. Okay. I don't know what. Nagkakarigas pa si Ash? Sinong kaupod ni Ash?
Wala. Ay, multo.
Gabriel, kung ano na naman yung sasabi mo. Ay, ano pag ano ngayon? Ayun. Diri man. I understand it's hard to believe. Just have to take it day by day and see what the Lord brings to us. Yes. I tried to LDR before. As soon as, but I think it didn't work because a lot of same situation and different just trust issues. Toothpaste. Bakit wala toothpaste?
Yes, of course.
Ihatag mo ito ka na, Ashley. Kaya dito siya naguba sa
Ano?
ito na towel. Yes, very the trust is very,
Of course.
very important.
I'm not important.
I-give mo yung kay Ash.
Kaya may iwanan na si Ashley dito.
Dire, kaya hanapan ko pa.
Hanap na.
Where the trust is so important.
Kulayan ko. Kulayan ko.
Wait lang. Mainis ni Dana. So, how would you treat a man? I treat a man 100%. I'm all loving. I am supportive one. I support all time. I give the love 100%. But that's not enough. Even if I'm loyal, I give it all. That's not enough. Not enough for a man to find someone else better than you give. Same here. Even you give it all, if you're not enough, it's not worth. Not work. It's not working now. I That's not work. Ash, come here na. Babaan na yun na ba? Dubo. Babaan na.
Kawaw
Babaan na.
kawil.
Mamot nga eh. Babaan na yung shirt mo, dali. Dali na. Puyo, babawa. Nangkalay ako. Mabukong ka. Come here na, Didiyo. Come here. Ha? Puro law yan.
Kawaw.
Puyo, bawal na naghibi. Baho daw. Bawal na naghibi. Dali ka ho. No matter how you look or how you dress, it's the personality and bad yan ga, Ashley. Bad yan. Bad. Yung sasabi na diri pwede. Oh, yung sasabi na, ay nako, diri bayaan ko na ikaw. It's the person. No matter how you look or how you dress, it's the personality and respect to give another the trust and love, making
Tita,
sure
kabango
you
na!
are part in your relationship.
Ang baho!
Ano man ini, diri man nga ni. Dali, tangad. Pang. True, ano. True, Carlos. You're right. Ang kabaho. Dali, ano mabaho? Ayun, mabaho. Ano mabaho mo?
Abo ko sa din.
Ayaw na isun. Wala naman. Ay, nako.
Abo ko sa
Gano'n ka naman, short ka naman.
Abo ko sa.
Maghanap ka dito, kaya dili ko manaramang gusto ko. You, what you treat a woman? How do you treat a woman? You're a, what you treat, bakit? Maghanap ka. How do you treat a woman? We only live one life, and to have another is the best thing. To show love one another. That's right. You're right. You're correct. Sige. Akayin, ano mo? Magpili ka, dali. Madiha. Aday, tahan ako, magayon na. You're right, Greg. Ay, Carlos. Kagayon, sa Bulaklaken. You like Carlos. How do you have an ex? How many girlfriends do you have before? Kwadita ano sudlay sa may lamesa. Buda. Past relationship, I mean. How many? I love to treat a woman with respect, kindness, being loyal to her. Never disrespect, always making her happy. There is nothing else in the world to treat a woman. That's right. That's good. Didi ka. Sa likod. That's good, Carlos. You're right. I only been in one relationship for 15 years. Wow. 15 years. No girlfriend before? Ever you're in my arms again. I love you much better. Ganda na. Ang ganda naman ni Baba. No, I always focus on work, pay my bills, and living my life. Okay. That, kabaho, Ash. Okay, no, I'm always focused on work, paying my bills, and living my life. Okay, alright. So what's your plan now? You finding someone, serious relationship like that? Until I find the right woman who I can take care of. Ah, okay. Until I find the right one. Hope you find the right woman, Carlos. Finding someone now, it's the right. It's really, I don't know. It's like an miracle. The right one. Before I thought I find someone better like that, but it's in a true color shining through. I wonder love to find the right one. I would love to find the right one. Over here in America, it's tough. They just want to use you. Huh? He was just want to use you. Why? Why? Why you say that? Just by using. Why say using? Here, more Filipina is a lovable, no? The a lot of here, but maybe because of the mistreated and cheated, and not loving back. Like you give the love 100%, but you receive 5%, but maybe negative 5 pa. Negative 50%. That's how woman over here. I will love someone to love who I am. Yes, that's important. Just need to accept who you are, not what you have. Ever you're in my arms again. This time I'm much better. This time ever you're in my arms again. Nasa Pilipinas ka, Sam Gutierrez. Opo. Nasa Pilipinas po ako. Hi, kumusta Sam Gutierrez? Kumusta po kayo? Tanghali na. Yan, tanghali na nga eh. Wala, oo nga. Tanghali na. Kumusta? Tanghali na yung pagano. Nung petsa na. Tanghali na. Tanghali na yung pag-bilis ng oras. Palali. Ano sudan niyo, Gab?
Basta lagyan mo.
Magandang tanghali. Magandang tanghali. So maybe we could work something out so I can bring you to America with your son. Really, Greg? I really, Carlos. Are you serious? Are you serious for that, Carlos? Mr. Berteng, agoy-agoy pastilan unsa man imong pamaho din na inday. Uy, I told you already. Okay. Amo sa imo mandong, oy, Berteng. Ay!
Mama, may drawing ka pa.
Sige.
Ma,
Apo.
da.
I would like I would like to get to know you. Okay, more 100%. Okay, Carlos, thank you. Oh, Filipina, free money. No 60, no fit, only free money. Ano na yan? Guys! Ricardo Santos! Nako, agoy inday pod. Uy, gutong baya. Kayo. Ilang gihurot o kit-kit. But, nag-inom ka ng kape. Nag-inom ka ng kape, yes. Kung wala masyadong sasabihin, tumahimik. Alang sila sabi, thank you sa 39 likes. Nag-inom ka ng kape.
So, guys.
Ba't mo din nilate birthday? Ba't mo din nilate? Dapat mga ganyan. Paano hindi ganyan? Yung mga sinasabi. Nasabi na eh. Kaya before you click, think before you click. You don't know what I mean.
So, guys, puppies.
No, lang niyo, Ash.
Guys,
Pwede.
adobo sa ako.
Ha?
Adobo sa ako.
May tuda pa na adobo.
Adobo ang sa ako. Inito mo kita. Ay, so, kasi mo lang.
Nagay na. Inday.
Pili yan.
Ay, ang buwan sa imo. Sinasabi mo, Berting? Anong pinagsasabi mo, Berting?
So, guys, drawing ko ha. Ano na? Sige.
Hi. Wow, ganun naman ito yung gabis.
Pemad ko dede.
Ayun.
Kutse. Sila, drawing pa kita. Ano naman, drawing on life?
Thank you for the 40 million. Ayan. I will make sure to treat you like my queen. I will make sure to make you happy with joy and love. I will never lie to you and always be honest. Sana all, no? Thank you for the 41 thumbs up, guys. That's the way that I was raised with respect and to know how to treat a lady. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Carlos. Thank you so much. Carlos. Si Carlos. It's better Thank you.
Dati di ako
Hello, Mama Sita. Mama Sita.
Tita!
Ha?
Tita! Hindi ako makain.
Oh, sige. Apo. Hello, Mama Sita. Mama Sita. Mama Sita.
Ako ba? Hindi na nakap... Hindi. Pero ko na nga. Para makaroon ko mag-bilog ko siya. Ito mo makaroon ko mag-bilog ko siya. Ay, kaya. Hi.
Hello. Doing CV. Getting ready to go. So what are we eating today? Pork adobo. Pork adobo, it is I cooked yesterday. That's the leftover. The cook. Ano, may natira pa. Ang hirap mag-Tagalog, mag-English talaga. May natira pa, so ayun. To give my kids, the kids. Monster, agoy kalamin sa adobo inday. Thank you, Monster Elf. Hello. Looks good. Thank you, Carlos. Thank you, Monster FF. So how do you season your food? Season food? No season food. Magkain na nga.
Yay! Isa akong ganito. Yay! Ako, gusto ko daghan tita Loto.
Mamaya na. Pag nagano'n, kuha ka naman. Sige, boy. Magkano ka?
Hirapan ako. Ako na ko yara.
Ibigay ko na kay kuya pa.
Gumalo, gusto sa ay? Yes! Magkuha ka na lang. Kuha ka na lang. Kuha ko sa'yo. Habang nasusulat.
May anak ka? Yes. May anak na po. Kain na kayo. Kumain na kayo.
Ay,
Wow.
alam mo.
May anak na. 40 na eh. At may edad na eh. Matanda na. Wow, sarap ng pagkain.
Wala ba?
Wow. Salamat po. So, how do you season your food? Season the food? Any food. What the season food? Go!
God na.
No season. You are a wonderful mother. I love the way you treat Chinese and son. Thank you, Carlos. I love you so much. Thank you, son. Cheers.
Kita!
Season me what you put on it.
Usan ako tubig. Ano ka lang? Kakaon ako dito.
Ano, adobo. Season, anything. No season. I cook adobo. Pork adobo. Garlic powder, onion. It's just garlic, onion,
Sarap adobo!
soy sauce, a little bit of vinegar, yes, a little bit. Oyster sauce, sazon. Yan. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, a little bit of vinegar, like that.
Ang sarap talaga tubig ko na kaya!
Maganda ang buhay mo. Madali lang sabihin yan, pero choose to be happy na lang. Maganda ang buhay. You have to try my food. What is your food? Maybe your expensive food. Maybe. What's your food, Carlos? You have Xavier Wendy. Anong gusto mong... Xavier, ano yan? Let me see. Spanish rice with beans. Spanish rice with beans. With beans? Spanish rice. Stick or pork chops? Okay. Stick or pork chops? Okay. Salad. Salad. Sino si Sam? Hindi ko siya kilala. Saan ka natira? Dito ako sa Bicol. Spencer, sino si Sam? Hindi ko siya Sam, sino ka daw? Si Sam Gutierrez. Tanong mo na lang si Sam kung sino siya. Sino ka daw, Sam? Xavier. Tuwang-tuwa. Ay, Xavier.
Kuya Gab! Dala ko lang nanasalat sila kaldero.
Hindi ka masingka,
Butang ka dito ang kaldero.
Ayaw, pagbutangan dito. Ako, bubutangan dito. Daga.
Awat kung ano.
Butangan mo ito sila
Na-order na lang kami sa imo.
Order ka.
Na-order na ako.
Ilang kanin?
Ako na. Order ako kanin. Ako man kita.
Ilang kanin ko?
Daghan po.
Daghan.
Diri daw daghan. Daghan. Ko do you? Ako na lang niya daw.
Ay, nako. Gab. Ilang taon? Ito ka sa How old is your son? 8 years old. Hello, handsome. Wow, ang gwapo ng anak mo. Salamat.
Ako lang natin tira na luto.
Anong sinasabi mo, Xavier? Gusto mo,
Mama, ako na lang tayo tira.
Huwag kang dyan.
Yagan.
Nang chat-charot ka. Salamat, Sam Gutierrez. Ano yung sinasabi nito ni Xavier? Pupunta ka dito, sa gaganyan ka. Allowed ba? My 2 boys are grown. Han! 21 and 19. Grow old na. Durael Mobile Home Rich Kid. Hi, beautiful. Hi, sir. Hi po. Meron ka pusa. Hindi sa amin yan. Galang pusa yung pupunta lang dito sa amin. Mga gala sila. I like your cat. That's not our cat.
David, tubig ko.
Okay.
Wala nang madalita ka man.
Sige po.
Kulong ko yan yun.
Opo.
Tita, ma-order.
Kaya na lang, Kuya Gabong.
Tita, ma-order ako tubig.
Opo, order ka tubig.
Ako.
Nagtanong pa si Kuya Gab.
Sige.
I like your cat. No, wala kaming pusa. We have no cat. Siligaw na pusa. They just coming here when eating time na. They visit here. Finding foods. Thank you for the 42 thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Thank you for the 8 million. Salamat. Hi, Pretty Lily. Hi, George P. Hi po. Thank you for the 49 thumbs up. Hello, guys. Salamat ng madami. Thank you. 44. Yan. Madami. Salamat naman. Ang dami. Hi, George P. Where are you from? Spencer. Kiridi. Thank you sa 10 million. Adan, sana nga March ko na tong ano na to. Makaano ako sa watch hour para mayanan. Thank you. Virginia, USA. Thank you so much. George P. Salamat.
Okay.
Sir George P.
Look. Ito lang.
Ang ganda ng live mo. Salamat, Sam Gutierrez. Thank you, Sam. Walang anuman po. Spencer. Salamat. Carlos Osorio. So you like to go to the beach? I love the beach. I love the sea. But, sometimes, no. Can't afford it to go there where it. Saan ka natira? Sa Bicol. Sorsogon.
Uy, abo ko taba.
Thank you sa 44 million. Ay, 44 thumbs up. Gasala. Oh. Ikaw, taga saan ka, Sam Gutierrez? Same here. I love to swim. I love nature. I'm a nature lover. Uy! Baga nakauna kay.
Uy, yaga.
Gab, diri mo dapat inaano si As.
Yaga.
Are you married? I'm not married, George. Nano nga, hindi tawag ka ni Ash. Anula ha, wala magurula. Thank you sa 11 million. Thank you the 45 thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Wow, the best. The best itong live na to.
May
For
ano
today.
mo, kuya, yung abo ko, kuya, yellow.
Are you married? I'm not married.
Hinagdataan
I'm not
ko na
married,
yan,
George P.
gusto ko tayo.
Good morning, sis. Elaine is...
Wala man tayo. Ayun.
Wala man tayod. Elizoy.
Ayun.
Good morning.
Ako nito.
Hey, George. She is a wonderful woman.
Adiyo.
Thank you, Carlos. Watching your live, sis. Thank you, Easy Loy. Thank you po, Easy Loy. Salamat. Yes, she is nice. Thank you. Thank you, George. Thank you, Carlos.
Wow, ni Kuya Gabyada, oh.
Wala, Gab. Gabag.
Wow na niya. Kaya hirap niya yung kanila.
Borikat. Borikat. Raul. Gab.
Gab.
You're welcome. Maribukon, maingay dito sa... Ikaw, sobrang masaya.
Ako, ano?
Nagkakaon. Tama yun. Nagkakaon ka mo, nag-iirog ka mo, son, Gab.
Kuya Gab, tagalon mo yan.
Magaling ka mag-alaga ng anak mo. Salamat.
Hoy, ang kutsara.
I would like to try your food one day. Okay. Try sinigang. Pork sinigang, pork adobo, Bicol Express. Bicol food. Elziloy. Anyway, it was pop up in my phone while I'm on break time. Well, thank you so much, Lolo YouTube for suggesting my live today. Salamat. Wow, thank you Sam. Thank you Eziloy for joining my live stream today. Salamat. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Thank you for the 45 thumbs up. Salamat. Even the dog visiting here in the house. Even we have a dog. Yeah. The dog of our neighborhood. ano here, summer here in the Philippines. That's why hot weather here. Si Ram, 46 like there. Thank you, si Ram. 46 likes. Thank you so much. Ako din. Do you cook tapsilog or longganisa? Tapsilog, longganisa yun. Sarap. Nakapunta ka sa Marinduque? Hindi po. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan. Pero maganda dyan. Magaganda yung mga ano dyan. Mga views. Nature. Pag meron na akong ano, pag afford ko na yung magbiyahe-biyahe, gusto ko mag-ano, punta-punta kung saan-saan. Pag afford na, okay. Susana Valenzuela. Hi po, Susana. Gabriel, tama na yan. Nagkakao, nabuyag. Saan ang asawa mo? Nasa kanila. Wala akong asawa. Elsie Loy. Matnog is part of Sorsogon. Yes. After Irusin, I'm from Irusin. After this, ano na, sunod na yung Matnog. Oh, yes. Sam. Opo. Sam, do you speak much English? Tinatanong ka ni ano, ni Spencer Sam. Sam. Salamat sa 46 likes. Salamat po. Salamat sa 9 million ano. Well, beautiful, I have to get some rest. I have to be at work in few hours. You do have a number. Make sure you keep in touch. I will love to speak to you more often and know you a lot more. Okay, bye. Bye, Carlos. Yeah. Okay, ilagay mo lang dyan. Bye, Carlos, and ano, sweet dreams. Always take care there. And USA, and stay kind. Stay who you are. I'm from Israel. After nun, tawid dagat na. Tamatnog, tawid dagat. Summer na. Oo. Ano lang sa Sorsogon, Irusin lang yung walang dagat. Bye, I'm going to the beach. Bye-bye, Sam Gutierrez. Thank you so much. Bye, Sam. If ever you, I will back. Okay. I will end the live soon. Need to rest then. Mag-live ulit ako in few hours. Right now, I'm living in Fort Worth, Texas. Okay. Wow! Mga nag-ano sa akin, mga taga-America. Thank you, Elzeloy. Thank you for visiting my live. Salamat. God bless. Ingat lagi. I will end the live soon, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, guys. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you in my next live again. Hi. Need to work kailangan magtrabaho. Thank you so much sa mga sa akin. Okay, sis, balik na sa duty. Bye-bye, sis. Elselay. Bye. God bless you there, Ticker there, sa inyo lahat. God bless sa lahat. Bye. Bye sa lahat.